In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a crosstab query in Microsoft Access. A crosstab query is a powerful way to summarize large sets of data into a compact table, almost like a mini report. It arranges your results with row headings down the side, column headings across the top, and a calculation, like a total or count, filling the cells. Think of it as a quick way to see something like total sales per month for each product, all in one easy-to-read grid. We'll use the Crosstab Query Wizard, which is the simplest and most reliable method. Start by opening your database so you're on the main Access screen. Go to the Create tab on the ribbon, then choose Query Wizard. From the list of options, select Crosstab Query Wizard and click OK to begin. The wizard first asks which table or query you want to summarize. Pick the one that contains the data you need and click Next. Now you'll choose your row headings. This is what you want listed down the left side, often something like product name. Pick the field that best identifies each row and continue. You can select more than one row heading if you need a more detailed breakdown, but keep in mind that more headings can make the final grid wider and more complex. Next, choose your column heading. This is what will run across the top. If you're summarizing by time, select a date field here. Access will typically let you group that date by year, quarter, month, or even date, so select the level that matches how you want to see the data, like month for a monthly view. Click Next to move on. Now choose the value field and the calculation. This is the number you want to roll up in each cell, something like sales amount or quantity. Then pick the function. Sum for totals, count to see how many records there are, average for an average value, and so on. If your values don't look right later, double-check that the field you picked is numeric when using sum or average. Click Next again. Give your query a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, then click Finish. Access will run the Crosstab query right away and display the results. You should now see your rows along the left, your selected columns across the top, like months, and the calculated values filling the table. If the layout feels too dense, consider simplifying your row headings or adjusting your column grouping. And remember, you can open this query anytime to refresh the results as your data changes. That's it. You've built a clean, insightful crosstab query using the wizard.